evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1326th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course that would be me. Good evening, traders. This video, the 1326th installment of these nightly educational videos, is geared to teach you the art of technical analysis, how to read the charts, and then how to use that information moving forward the next day. Interesting stuff here. We teach you how to read the charts, come up with a trade tonight, which should work the next day. Pretty cool stuff. This video is geared for trading on Thursday and most likely Friday. Let's start off with Thursday. That is June 4th, 2015. I'm filming this on Wednesday night for trading Thursday into Friday. As we know, futures trading is absolutely extremely risky, causes substantial financial losses, not suitable for all traders. No one should do this in the world. In fact, anyone who trades should get up and run and stop. How's that, NFA? Is that good? Never trade without stops. You know how this works, right? A stop is absolutely your best friend in this business. The way this thing whips around, if you freeze and don't know what to do, if you've got your stop in, it knocks you out of the trade in most cases, and at least if you're frozen, it knocks you out. So put your stops in first. All right, so enough of the risk. Let's get moving. So what's in store for trading on June 4th? Bonds still acting like the top is in, and that was a great call in the video. We actually made that call about 6 days ago, but presented it to you in a video last night. I'll show you the bond chart and show you where it looks like it's going next. The gold is starting to show the effects of the head and shoulders formation. I've been showing you that in so many videos now, I can't count anymore, and the gold is absolutely coming off, just like OMNI said it would. Excuse me. In last night's video, we had the transportation average, and there was a question. Is it a flag or a V bottom? Right? Was it the flag or the V bottom? I think we can possibly say that it was the V bottom. I'll show you that chart next. And then we are buying dips in ES, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell. So the OMNI for trading on Thursday into Friday is a buyer of dips, and that's how we're going to start off. So far, so good. In last night's video, by the way, I told you that a couple of things were going to happen. Gold should go down. Bonds should go down. The S&P will start off going down where we'll be short. Then we're going to try to get long and ride it back up. It is exactly what we did. It is exactly what happened yesterday. Bravo for technical analysis. So this video for trading on Thursday is of the same nature. We expect certain things to happen, and they should happen on Thursday. OMNI campers, I want to welcome my OMNI campers. Hello, hello. They're all coming into town on Thursday tonight, or I should say tomorrow night, Thursday. When you get to town, make sure you call us at the office. Tell us the hotel, tell us the room. The rest we will do for you. Welcome, 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 my OMNI campers. Now, traders, as I've mentioned, I now offer discount brokerage. That is deep discount brokerage for anyone that's trading futures. You open up your account with me. I will make sure that we are here to help you 24 hours a day. We will know who you are. We will know what position you should be in. We will be here to assist you anytime. Deep discount brokerage for full service you will get for the price of discount brokerage. Come to livewithoscar.com or simply call us 702-629-4755. All right, traders, let's get moving. So the stuff on the board is very interesting. I'm going to show you why we're a buyer of dips. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, let's start off with the Dow Jones Transportation Average. In last night's video, I put this chart before your eyes and said, is this a bear flag? What do you think it'll turn out to be another one of these V bottoms? So here was the bear flag in last night's video. And then this chart, let me just show you this because this was what we were questioning. Is it the V bottom here or that flag? So we put the flag next to the V bottom. Which one is it? That was last night's video. Let me show you exactly what did happen. It went up, negating the flag, so obviously it was not the flag, and this is what happened. V bottom, so far holding it. It went up, so look at that. It wasn't the flag. It turns out to be the V bottom. So far, so good. I'm glad to see that because we didn't want it to be a bear flag. So now let's move forward to tonight's analysis. E-mini S&P, look at that pretty bull flag. This is what it should be, right? It's been working for quite some time, some large bars to get us up here. Then it puts in the consolidation flag, and as of Wednesday's trading, we got up here and settled outside of the flag. So it should now dip down just a little bit tonight and then head back up like this for Thursday. That is what we're expecting. Of course, never trade without stops just in case it's not a flag, but that is what we're expecting. E-mini S&P NASDAQ for trading on Thursday. Then there's the bonds, traders. Last night's video, I put this chart before your eyes and I said, look, I believe the top is in. We actually thought the top was in somewhere back here. We tested it. Now we are convinced the top is in, so I showed this to you in a video. Since I showed this to you, it looked like this when I presented it to you, and this is what happened next. So not bad. Look at that drop. Bravo. So far, it does look like the top is in. Wow. Let's move forward. Last night's video, I showed you this gold chart. I said that is a bear flag. Bear flags produce downward movement. That's what we're expecting in gold. You've got a head and shoulders formation, which is bearish. You've got something I've invented in Oscarism called the failed head test. That's bearish. You get down below the average, you get into a bear flag, that's bearish. So, of course, we've been hunting the downside of gold, and this is where we were before I did last night's video. And this is what happened today. Once again, look, but bam, we're down to here. Bravo for technical analysis, and expect more gold downside. So that's what we're looking for. There's your gold. You've seen the other charts. The gold should head even lower as of Thursday. Traders, pull your own charts, do your own analysis. Never, ever accept anyone else's technical opinion without doing your own homework first. So, traders, you've seen the chart. You've got my technical argument for why we are buying dips in the E-mini S&P and NASDAQ. Why, hopefully, that was a V bottom in your transportation average. You see the effects of the head and shoulders in the gold chart. And bonds certainly still acting like some form of a top is in. Now, traders, let me just say this. As bullish as those charts look, I will tell you this. If somehow we don't go up and make a new high Thursday and Friday, they are going to punish this market next week. I mean, they will punish this market next week. We basically have to go up and make a new high. If we do not, they will punish the S&P and NASDAQ next week. So let's hope we can finish off this week and get strong. Your stops need to be in. This is going to be very volatile these next few days. Have your stops in. Don't trade without your protective stops. And come on down to livewithoscar.com where I can help keep you in check. All right, traders, remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. See you all at livewithoscar.com. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.